Hi everyone. Before we start making our burger, let's first prepare a delicious spicy mayonnaise. Take a blender jar and add 3 boiled eggs, 3 soaked red chilies, 1 piece garlic, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, some cheese, 2 spoon raw milk. Now blend everything into a smooth paste. That's it, spicy homemade mayonnaise is ready. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper. Mix everything well. Dip the chicken pieces in water briefly, then coat the wet chicken in the prepared flour mix. For extra crispiness, dip it back in water once and recoat with the flour mix. Fry the coated chicken pieces on medium heat until golden brown and crispy. Take 2 burger buns and cut them in the middle. Apply a thin layer of ghee or butter on the cut side of each bun. Place the buns on the pan, buttered side down, and toast until they turn golden and slightly crispy. Ready for assembling the burger. Homemade burger is ready to taste.